Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2012 VW Jetta headlight bulb, easy method. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Pop the hood and remove the headlight trim clips, then gently push aside the wheel well liner for access. Unplug the bulb connector, release the retaining clip, swap in the new bulb, reconnect, test, and reassemble carefully. Gather tools before you begin so the job goes smoothly and safely. You will need a 10 mm socket, flathead screwdriver, clean cloth, and gloves to protect the bulb glass. Confirm the correct bulb type for your 2012 Jetta before removing the old one. Working with the wheel turned improves access to the liner and headlamp area. Take your time to avoid snapping plastic clips or scratching paint during removal and reinstallation. Follow a calm, steady approach to prevent damage and save time overall. Start by opening the hood and locating the rear of the headlamp, then remove trim clips and peel back the wheel well liner for clearance. Unplug the electrical connector and depress the retaining clip to free the bulb, pulling it straight out without twisting. Inspect the housing for corrosion or moisture, replace the bulb, reconnect the plug, and test the beam alignment before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.